Hello everyone, this is Michael again with GeekDisorder, aka Lavic. So today in this video we're going to be setting up our web hosting. Again, like I said, I'm using HostGator. I've got to deal with them. Where if you sign up using my link, which you'll find in the description below, again it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, of course. But when you use that, you're going to get your first month for only a penny. There is a slight charge for the domain name you choose, but it's reduced in price, and you'll see that as we go through here. Alright, so use my link in the description below, and once you do, it'll open up a page that looks like this. Just click Get Started here. Alright, and it's going to ask you first for a domain name. I don't have a domain name I want to use, so I'm going to register a new domain name. And I've already researched this, and so I'm going to set up a web page for my dog Spud. And I know .com isn't available, but I know online is, so that's the one I'm going to use. Alright, and as I scroll down here, of course you can pick different ones, and as you see, it'll say $15 here, but when we scroll down to the bottom, you're going to notice domain registration Spud. The 15 is marked out, and you're getting it for a discount of $1.95, which is a pretty good deal. Alright, so I don't want any extra ones, but this domain privacy protection, I don't think Spud really needs it, so I'm going to uncheck that, because that's billed at $14.95 a year. But if you need it, if you don't want your information showing on the website, just check that and that'll protect you. Alright, as far as package, you can pick between 3 different ones. There's a Hashling, which is the smallest, and I believe it supports one website. And of course the baby and the business. I'm going to stick with the Hashling right now. You can always upgrade later. For the billing cycle, of course 1 month, if you pick that one, you're getting the discount at your first month at a penny. After that, it's going to be $10.95 a month. If you would like, you can get a bigger discount by signing up for multiple months at a time. And of course, if you were to get 36 months, it'd be $264 a month, which is a 62% savings, which is pretty good. It's a pretty good discount. So it's going to ask you to create a username, a PIN, and of course all your information here. And I'm going to fill that here in a second. And then you scroll down a little bit, you can get your additional services. It does have a SSL certificate for free, so that's awesome. And probably in this course I'll go through on how to set that up, just in case you want to use it. Now this site lock monitoring, I don't think Spud really needs that for his. It is $2.99 a month if you want it. And then of course email. The hosting does have email service, but if you want it through Google, they offer that too, which is billed at $5 a month. I don't think Spud needs that either. I really don't need the backup or the improved search ranking. So I'm going to uncheck all of those. And then when I get to the bottom here, you see my amount due. The total is only $1.96, which the first month being a penny, and of course domain registration being $1.95. So that's an awesome deal. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. The recording, and I'm going to fill out all this information, and I recommend you do the same. Get everything signed up, and then I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, so welcome back. So once your payment's complete, you'll come up with a screen like this, and they're getting your account all set up, which that's awesome. That means by the time we're ready to use it, it'll be ready to go. And I'll go over that when we're actually going through the next step, and we're going to upload a web page to our site. That way we can actually see it working. But until the next video, again, subscribe, comment, and like the video if you like it. And again, you'll find all the links you need to do this in the description below. And until the next one, y'all have a good one. Take care.